Imagi.
Hello and welcome to your English learning space. Today, we are going to do something special. We are not just listening, we are speaking. This technique is called shadowing. It is very simple, but it is very powerful. It is like a dance for your voice. When I speak, you speak. You repeat my words immediately. You copy my speed. You copy my emotion. You copy my melody. Do not worry about making mistakes. Just let your mouth move. Imagine you are an actor, and this script is your movie role. Today, we are going into a warm, cozy story. It is a story about small joys, friendly faces, and a little surprise. Are you ready to practice your speaking skills? Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Let us begin. Today, I woke up with a big smile. The morning air was crisp and cool, but the sun was very bright. I felt full of energy. I decided that today is a perfect day for a little adventure. I did not want to stay inside my house. I wanted to be around people. I wanted to hear the noise of the city. So, I put on my favorite blue coat. I put on my comfortable walking shoes. I grabbed my brown leather notebook and my black pen. I walked down the busy street. I saw families walking together. I saw a yellow bus stop at the corner. Finally, I arrived at my destination. It is my favorite place in the whole city. It is a small cafe called the Happy Bean. I opened the heavy wooden door. A small bell rang. Ding! The sound was clear and happy. Immediately, a wonderful smell hit my nose. It smelled like roasted coffee beans. It smelled like sweet vanilla sugar. It smelled like warm, fresh bread coming out of the oven. This smell makes me feel safe and calm. I walked to the counter to order my drink. The line was short. There was only one person in front of me. Soon, it was my turn. The barista was a young man named Leo. Leo has curly hair and very bright glasses. He always wears a green apron. "Hello," Leo said. His voice was friendly and loud. "It is good to see you again. How are you today?" "I am doing very well, thank you, Leo," I answered. "How are you?" "I am great," Leo said. "What can I get for you this morning?" "Do you want your usual black coffee?" I thought for a moment. Usually, I drink black coffee. But today felt different. Today felt special. "No, not today," I said. "Today, I want something sweet. Can I have a large vanilla latte, please?" Leo smiled. "Good choice. Do you want whipped cream on top?" "Yes, please," I said. And can I also have one of those blueberry muffins? Of course, Leo said. He typed the order into the machine. That will be $7.50, please. I reached into my pocket to find my wallet. I looked in my right pocket. It was empty. I looked in my left pocket. It was empty, too. My heart started to beat fast. Oh no. Did I leave my wallet at home? I looked in my back pocket. Nothing. I felt my face get hot. I was embarrassed. I am so sorry, Leo, I started to say. I think I lost my... Suddenly, a woman standing behind me spoke up. She had a kind voice and white hair. Excuse me, she said. Please, do not worry. She looked at Leo. Mr. Leo, I will pay for this order. Put it on my bill, please. I turned around. I was very surprised. Oh, no, you do not have to do that, I said. That is too much. The woman smiled. Her eyes were kind. It is just a coffee and a muffin, she said. Someone did a nice thing for me yesterday. Today, I want to do a nice thing for you. Just enjoy your day. Thank you, I said. Thank you very much, madam. That is very kind. You are welcome, she said. I took my warm vanilla latte and my blueberry muffin. I walked to a small table near the window. I sat down on the soft chair. I was still surprised. My heart felt very warm, and not just because of the coffee. I opened my notebook, but I did not write immediately. I just watched the people. This is my favorite hobby. I call it people watching. Outside the window, the world was moving. I saw a tall man in a gray suit running to catch a taxi. He looked stressed. I hoped he would have a better day later. I saw a young student sitting on a bench. She was reading a thick book. She looked very serious. Then, a small bird landed near her foot. She looked down and smiled. It was a beautiful moment. Then, I saw a father and his little daughter. The little girl was wearing a bright pink raincoat, even though it was not raining. She was skipping and jumping. She pointed at a big dog walking by. The dog was very fluffy. The girl laughed. I could not hear her laugh through the glass, but I knew it was a happy sound. I took a sip of my latte. It was sweet and hot. The whipped cream was melting. It tasted delicious. I took a bite of the muffin. It was soft and full of berries. I looked around the cafe again. I saw the woman with the white hair. She was sitting in the corner, drinking tea. She looked peaceful. I decided then that I wanted to continue this chain of kindness. I had a few loose coins in my coat pocket. It was not enough for a coffee, but it was enough for a tip. When I finished my drink, I walked back to the counter. I found a glass jar that said tips. I put my coins inside. Clink, clink. Thank you, Leo called out from the coffee machine. I walked over to the woman with white hair. I did not want to disturb her, but I wanted to say goodbye. Excuse me, madam, I said softly. She looked up. I just wanted to say thank you again, I said. You made my day very happy. She put down her teacup. I am glad, she said. Happiness grows when we share it. Pass it on. I will, I promised. I put my notebook in my pocket. I buttoned my blue coat. I walked out of the heavy wooden door. The cool air hit my face again. Walking home, the street looked different. The colors seemed brighter. The noise of the city sounded like music. I did not just have a coffee. I had a lesson in kindness. I realized that a small cafe is not just a place for drinks. It is a place where humans connect. Today, I felt grateful, and I cannot wait to go back. Thank you for listening to this story. How do you feel? Did you shadow my voice? Did you copy the intonation when I was surprised? Did you speak softly when I was calm? That is the secret to sounding natural. Please, listen to this story again. Try to listen 3 times this week. The first time, just listen. The second time, read the text while you listen. The third time, speak with me. Do not be shy. Your English is getting better every day. If you enjoyed this visit to the cafe, please click the like button. It helps other students find this lesson. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel so you can see our next video. We have many more stories to tell. Until next time, keep practicing and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.